Oh, hey there. How you doing? I was just getting ready to do a little search on YouTube for some fast, easy, lazy money that you can make online. Now, what these folks do and say on their YouTube channels ain't none of my business, but you may or may not know that on my YouTube channel, if I was to go to analytics, click on audience, YouTube actually lets me know what my audience is watching, the channels that my audience is watching, as well as the videos that my audience is watching. So this means folks like you that do the same thing that I do, like to, occasionally check out a few easy, lazy, fast ways to make money online. They grab a beverage and land here on YouTube and start taking a look at some of these fast, easy, lazy ways to make money online. And I must admit, they are quite intriguing. So again, let's go back to my channel and focus on what my audience is watching. Now, I'm not going to say anything bad about any of these channels or anything that they do. Some of them make some really good videos with some really interesting ways, creative ways. If you were to put in the work and the effort and the time, there is no doubt that you can make some money with these methods. Now, of course, talking about the titles, no sales, this made me $37,000, $60 an hour, best AI side hustle, free tools. I made over $94,000 so far. And again, I want to emphasize that I am not saying anything bad about these creators. I think that they are being creative in both the ways they create videos and the way that they give you information, and they give you hope that you can make money online, because making money online is a real thing. It is something that anyone can do. Now, anyone can do it, but that doesn't mean that everyone is going to find success. Even with the methods that I talk about here on my channel, even the methods that go back to my homeboy here, Eugene Schwartz, way back in the 50s and 60s. The methods he taught, the methods that I follow, the reason that my channel is named 30-Minute Marketing is because of my homeboy here, Eugene Schwartz. His books, his studies, the things he did are an inspiration to me, just like these videos, and I hope my videos can be an inspiration for you to know that it is possible to make money online. But back to this, no sales, $2,876 in one day using Google News. If you go over to this channel, Incognito Money, this dude right here is for sure coming up with creative, innovative ways, thinking outside the box, and he's providing you information. And it's his job to entertain you in a way that also encourages you to go out and take a look at these methods. But again, when it comes into me sitting here and just taking in the video and thinking, I wonder what my homeboy here, Eugene Schwartz, or Gene as I like to call him, would think about this video. Now, he was a marketer and he said certain things. And if you read a lot of his stuff, the historical advertisements, like the things that he did around smoking, ways to treat certain diseases that were outside of Western medicine, might push the envelope of what we have today or what we're able to do today. Which brings me back to this, ethically and legally. Anytime I see anybody say ethically and legally, I just, like I said at the beginning of this video, that ain't none of my business. And this is one of my favorites too, copy and paste. He has to make sure, and he has to go to a degree of that you can do this both ethically and legally, and all you're going to have to do is copy and paste. Now in this video, he's going to show you ways to use tools to paraphrase and use AI to rewrite content that's already out there on the web. Now theoretically, that's what AI does already. It just uses the information, the knowledge that's been fed, or now ChatGPT, and I show this here on my channel where I have my 100 days of blogging where I'm creating a blog using only AI information or the information that AI is able to get and then come up with its own words based upon the algorithms that it uses to generate words based upon the input that you give it. That's basically what he's telling you here. But again, he's gone out of his way to make sure that you understand that all you have to do is copy and paste. And again, everything's ethical, everything's legal. Don't worry about it. Just go out there and start copying and pasting. Now, while we're here together, let's just head over to ChatGPT and take a look at the summary here. Please watch the video and give me a summary and highlight the benefits and methods for how to make money that it might contain. Now that URL is that video that we just watched that promised you that his method is both, you remember, ethical and legal, and all you got to do is copy and paste. So ChatGPT reached out to the internet, pulled down the video, went through the transcript, and then he walks through the method, or walks through the method that we just watched, or that you can watch in that video. And you should watch the video. It's entertaining. And the method here says, go to Google News and find popular articles that provide value. Then the video suggests focusing on articles that are not just news, but have some long-term value. Copy the content of these articles and paste them into the Google Doc. There's your copy, there's your paste. Use AI tools like Quillbot or WriteSonic to paraphrase the content, making it unique. This is to avoid plagiarism and create new content from the existing articles. Again, these are tools that I use. These are tools that I would recommend. It's not the tools. It's not even the method. It's the presentation and the fact that it is presented as a shortcut. Here on 30-Minute Marketing, I always say it's not about faster, it's about focus. And really the focus here has to be on the fact that there is no quick, there is no lazy, there is no easy, there is no fast way to make money online. It's about putting in the work, providing valuable content. Again, just like the video that we are referencing here today about lazy, easy, fast money, that video, the reason he makes those videos is because he knows people are going to watch them, because they are entertained and they are given hope, even if they don't think it's 100% legit, that it is possible to make money online. And I'm here to tell you, just like my homeboy, Eugene Schwartz, he made money by writing letters and putting them in the mail back in the 50s and 60s and 70s, even up into the 80s. And people still do that today, just like my homeboy Eugene Schwartz did here. And I'm telling you, Eugene Schwartz inspired me. And by reading some of his headlines and things that he said, and some of the things he said to sell some of the things he sold, like cigarettes, hey, it was just a matter of the time and the place he was in. And again, a lot of that boils down to your moral compass. So back to this, when we're talking about the different methods, it goes down into the benefits here. And yes, there are benefits to these methods. And like I said, you're going to do the method. And the method is you're going to upload these articles that you copied and pasted, and then you have the AI rewrite. You're going to upload those into platforms like medium.com and vocal.com. These platforms pay you for uploading articles and for the number of reads your articles get. And this is 1000% true. There is absolutely no reason to believe that you will not make money if you follow this method, if you do it for a long time, over a long period of time. Thinking about how long do I have to do this? 6 months, 12 months, 2 years. And the fact that, yes, it's going to take me a little longer, but I'm going to have to, once I copy and paste, I'm going to have to read the article. I'm going to verify the information. I'm going to have to expand. I'm going to have to dig and go a little deeper to get to where people want to be when they read my article. How can I really help these people by going out, finding these news articles, adding my own research, or letting the AI help me and do research, and then me verifying what the AI has given me, and then making this content even better. That's what the internet is. That's how this all works. Every book you ever read, everything, every subject you ever studied was about people compounding or adding to the body of work with the goal to make it better, the goal to help solve more problems for more people. One last thing I did here for you is I went out and I said, or I had the AI do it for me, is I said, great, thanks. Now you can find out for me how much platforms like medium.com and vocal.media pay for uploading articles and for the number of reads your articles get, and then give me a table that summarizes the information. And you can see here that medium.com is going to pay you varying widely based on engagement and membership reads, and only about 10% of writers earn more than $100 a month. Only the top 10%. Only the top 10% of the writers earn more than $100 a month. Now, vocal.media, here in the table that the AI so graciously created for us, you get no direct payments for articles, but you can earn $3.80 for regular creators, $6 for Vocal Plus creators. That is if you become a member of their platform. Of course, all platforms like this work if you subscribe or you become a member or you write enough or you create enough content and you become a member of the partner program. Kind of like what I do here on YouTube. As a member of the YouTube partner program, the more content I make, the better content I make, then I earn revenue from the ads that Google places on my videos. It's the same kind of concept. So thanks for spending some time here with me, taking a look at some fast, easy, lazy ways to make money online. Again, me and my homeboy here, Gene Schwartz, we appreciate the time that you spent with us today. And if you like this kind of style, if you like the thing I'm doing here, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It was a lot of fun to do, having some fun with my homeboy, Gene Schwartz, poking a little fun at what is on the internet about ways to make money online. And again, realistically, if you follow these methods and you take what they're saying at face value, and then you understand that you have to dig deeper and you have to find out about guys that were doing this, selling stuff, figuring out how to do copywriting and create products, real products that help people, or products that just entertain, which is the majority of these make money online videos that you see here on YouTube. And again, I appreciate your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.